awards.
Let us celebrate the remarkable journey of the following grade 6 Rizal as they receive their medal. Vicente Dorin Toledo with high honors. She will be recognized of the following achievements. Best in Filipino, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Special Recognition Awards in Journalism, Column Writing English, 2nd place BSPC, Regional Schools Press Conference Qualifier, Readathon Filipino, Choral Reading 1st place, Young Scientist Enrichment Program YSEP Completer, a certificate of recognition for YSEP Life and YSEP Plus, and a certificate of conduct award. Her medal will be presented to her by her father, Mr. Jimmy Vicente. Bichayda Alex Sturdy Caballero with honors. He will also receive a medal as a Young Scientist Enrichment Program completer, a certificate of recognition from YSEP Life and YSEP Plus. His medal will be presented by his father, Mr. Alex Bichayda. The Kipa Christopher Liam Cabo with honors. His accomplishments include the following: Young Scientist Enrichment Program completer, certificate of recognition for YSEP Life and YSEP Plus, and a certificate of conduct award. His medal will be given to him by his mother, Mrs. Celeste Joy Dakipa. De Los Santos Israel Owen Box with honors. Israel Owen has earned the recognition as for the remarkable accomplishment, including the following: Young Scientist Enrichment Program completer, a certificate from YSEP Plus and YSEP Light, conduct award certificate. Coronda C. Andrew Percy with honors. C. Andrew has earned recognition for the following remarkable accomplishment: Best in Mathematics, Special Recognition Award in Journalism, Photojournalism English, 3rd place RSPC Qualifier, Regional Math Olympics Qualifier, Young Scientist Enrichment Program completer, and a certificate of conduct award. His medal was proudly presented by his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Dominic Coronda. To step forward and receive his award, we have Lumawan Melvin Andre Cabahit with honors. He will be recognized for the following achievements: Loyalty Awardee, Special Recognition Awards in Journalism, Sports Writing English, 4th place DSPC, RSPC Qualifier, Young Scientist Enrichment Program completer, and a certificate of conduct award. Mauricio Miel Blake Revilla with honors. Miel is also a loyalty awardee. He will also receive a certificate of recognition from YSEP Light and YSEP Plus, and the Certificate of Conduct Award. Ognaret Nathaniel Aparece with honors. Ontulan Franz Christoph Sigal with honors. He will be recognized for the following achievements: Young Scientist Enrichment Program Completer, Certificate of Recognition from YSEP Light and YSEP Plus, and the Certificate of Conduct Award.